Rotational stability is key. The flywheel smooths torque fluctuations, ensuring steady power delivery. By understanding these engineering principles, you can appreciate the efficiency and reliability of this innovative system.
Imagine harnessing energy not from fuel, but from motion itself. The free energy flywheel system, crafted by Muse, transforms rotational force into a powerful energy solution. This innovation could redefine how we store energy.
At the heart of this system is a heavy flywheel, driven by an 800-watt motor. As it spins, it stores kinetic energy, powering a generator and alternator. This setup supports everything from workshops to off-grid systems.